Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. I'm Gulshan Kumar and you're most welcome on my YouTube channel GK Video Creator. So today I'm going to unbox Kuwajia's power bank, multi-slot battery charger and battery cells for replacement. Please subscribe my channel before watch this clip. Now let's start. So here is power bank of Kuwajia. And this is multi-slot battery charger. And here is battery cells. This is the power bank of Kuwajia. Here we get Type-C charging plug inbuilt. Just press this button and the plug will come out, which is very good feature. And if you don't have any charging cable, then you can directly charge your device from this plug if your device supports Type-C charging. Here is Type-C charging port, which we can use to charge it and to charge other devices with it. One feature that makes it even more special is its battery replacement feature. Simply press this button and the battery compartment will open, allowing us to insert the battery. This is a multi-slot battery cell charger. We can charge 4 batteries simultaneously. Here we can see the charging percentage of all 4 batteries. And here is Type-C charging port. So we can charge it with Type-C charging cable. This is 21700 model of Kuwajia. This is high capacity rechargeable 5000 mAh lithium ion cell. And I have 5 of them here. One for the power bank and 4 spares. So I can replace them whenever I need to. How is this product? Please write down in the comment box. If you like my video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.